Hello guys, and today I will show you how to change the vibration intensity level on your Apple Watch Ultra 2. Let's get started. And for that we would need to open settings, so let's tap the digital crown to open the list of applications and find settings. Here it is. And now we just need to go in the sounds and haptic tab. And here scroll a bit to see the haptics. We have three options. We can disable it, we can enable default so that the haptic will be like light and short, or prominent so it will be strong and long. And then go back to save the changes. And if you scroll till the end, you'll see the crown haptics. I prefer this feature enabled because it is really pleasant when you are just rotating the digital crown and just feel this vibration feedback. And also you can do just the same for the system haptics. If you would like to disable it, just tap on the switcher like that so it will be gray, and now it is disabled. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.